Hey guys, welcome to our channel. In this video, we are going to talk about on how to download WhatsApp backup from your Google Drive. So as you can see right here, I am already in my Google Drive right now. So if you already back up your WhatsApp history or messages to your Google Drive, then you just have to open your Google Drive. So right here, you'd be able to see this zip file from WhatsApp. So, in order for you to download this zip file to your phone or to your laptops, you just have to click on the three dots right here. Okay, and as you can see, you have this download option. So, all you have to do here is to simply click on the download. That's right, and then just wait for a couple of seconds, and then you just have to save it to your file. So, just simply click on this save to files option. That's right. And then you just have to click on save. Just wait for a couple of seconds and then your file or your WhatsApp backup file will be now downloaded to your phone. So that's it for this video. If you think this video helped you solve your concern, please subscribe, like this video, and leave your comment below. Bye.